Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Manfrotto Element MII Aluminium Travel Tripod. This is aimed at photographers who are looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. Let's see how this tripod stacks up. First off, let's talk about the build and design of the Manfrotto Element MII. It's constructed from aluminum, which strikes a balance between durability and weight. At 3.4 pounds, it's not the lightest in its class but remains manageable for travel. The tripod extends up to 160 centimeters, which is quite impressive for its size, and folds down to just 42 centimeters for easy portability. In terms of performance, the MII handles lighter camera setups admirably. It can support a maximum payload of 17.6 pounds, which is adequate for most standard camera and lens combinations. The twist-lock leg mechanism is intuitive and provides decent stability, although there is some flex when fully extended. This might affect its performance in windy conditions, but it generally holds up well. Now, let's discuss the features. The MII keeps it simple with just 2 leg angles and a basic ball head. It's worth noting that the ball head supports ACA Swiss-style plates, which is a plus for compatibility with L brackets. However, if you're looking for advanced features like a monopod leg or more robust head controls, you might want to consider higher-end models. From a user experience standpoint, the Manfrotto Element MII is straightforward to set up and use. The twist locks on the legs are secure, and adjusting the height or angle is quick and easy. The inclusion of a center column hook for hanging additional weight adds stability when needed, which is a thoughtful touch for a tripod in this price range. Let's briefly compare it to other options in the market. While the MII offers great value for its price, more expensive tripods might offer lighter materials like carbon fiber or additional features such as a higher maximum payload. It really depends on your specific needs and budget. To wrap it up, the Manfrotto Element MII Aluminium Travel Tripod is an excellent choice for beginners or photographers on a budget. It delivers reliable performance, decent build quality, and essential features that meet the needs of most travel photographers. If you're looking for a solid, no-frills tripod that won't break the bank, the MII is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like me to review next. Until next time, happy shooting!